Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again. Thank you for checking out my video today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day over there. I just want to say a big thank you to all of the new viewers, subscribers, contributors. Without you guys, this channel wouldn't be possible. So here we have it, a brand new PowerPoint game. This one is called Carnival Horse Race, or English Horse Race. This was a suggestion by a viewer. I had started making this game, but set it aside due to work and other things. So here we have it, the game. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. You can download this free template below this video. And also make sure to install the font that's used in this game so that your game looks similar to mine. As always, thank you. And if you want to help out this channel, you can subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get the latest materials when I post them up on this channel. So let's start the game by clicking the play button on your PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so on the left we have the instructions on how to play the game. You can read through this later on how to play it, but I'll show you a quick demonstration after this. And on the right side we have the how to edit your game. You can also read through this as well, or you can watch this video until the end to learn how to edit your own game for your classroom. So let's click on the play button, the start game button. It's located here on the upper right corner of our presentation. Alright, let me just lower the volume a little bit. So here is our main game. We have 4 teams that can play this game. You can play this one-on-one with a student, or you can play in a group, like a small group. You can also edit the team as well. You can put their names there, or the team name there, instead of team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. In the middle, we have the question button. You click on this to bring up the question slide, and you can edit that later. And above that, you have your little track for your horse. So this is similar to a carnival game, or if you ever played one of those games at like a Chuck E. Cheese, where you throw the balls in, and then a horse comes out across the racetrack, or like a balloon inflates or something like that. This is very similar to that. So let's start by clicking here on the question slide. So you can write your question here, and you can add your image here. And to reveal the answer, just click on the horse here. And then you can click go back, or click the go back button here. And now you can click on one of the triangles on your lane. So I'll try the middle one here. And I'll try the left one here on the blue. And the middle one for the green. And the right one for the red here. Alright, so now we have our horses up here. And the idea is to reach the finish line, or get as close as you can to the finish line. So whoever gets the closest or finish wins. So let's click on the question button again. Click on the horse to reveal your answer. As I mentioned, you can edit the question and answer to match your lesson, or your grammar, or whatever you're teaching for the day. It doesn't have to be English. It could be used for anything. And if you are a parent who is watching this video, you can use this for your children as well, to help them learn English. So let's hit the go back button here. And we'll try another triangle, maybe the right one this time. We'll try the top one. The left one here. And the top one for the red. Again, click on the question button here. That will take you to the QA slide where you can edit the question. Click on the horse here, or the question card, and that will reveal your answer. And then we'll click on the go back button here to go back to the main board. All right, let's try it again. I'll try the right one this time. The top here. So we'll click on this until the horse gets to the end. We'll try different triangles here. Alright, so you get the idea. Click on the question button, and if the student gets it correct, you can award them by letting them click on one of the triangles here. And we'll get to the end to see what that looks like. If you guys enjoy my PowerPoint games and materials, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and comment. It will really help out this channel a lot. And if you guys have any suggestions for a PowerPoint game, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll definitely take a look at that. Any ideas are welcome. And we're almost till the end. Let's try the right this time.
We've got a winner! Winner!
Alright, so the blue team made it to the finish line and they won. Alright, so let's take a look at how we can edit this PowerPoint game for ourselves. So just hit the escape button here. I've also included some teacher's note at the bottom of the slide, so you can also read through that on how to use this game and how to edit the game as well. So let's go to a question slide. So here we have the main game, and then we have the question slide. So just click on the question slide here, and we'll just click on an image here, right here. Make sure you click on the image here, the picture image, and make sure you see this little square here. You right click on that and go to change graphic and choose from a file here. Click on that and we'll add an image. For example, this one, we'll add an image in there. Okay. And then maybe if you're teaching past tense, you can ask like, what? Something like that. And the answer would be past tense. I ate a banana today. Like that. Okay. And we can try another one. We can click on the image here, right click on it, go to change graphic from a file, and maybe we'll do a future tense this time. So click insert, and what will you do tomorrow? And I will watch TV tomorrow, like that. Okay, and now that you have edited your Q&A slide, now we can go back to the main game. All right, now that we've edited our Q&A slide, we can head back to the main game board, and let's click play here. All right, now we can check to see if our game is working properly. Let's click on the question slide, question button here. All right, so what did you eat today? And we can click on the horse here. I ate a banana today. And then you can click on the go back button. And then let's try the left triangle here. All right, and click on the question button again. What will you do tomorrow? I will watch TV tomorrow. You can also award the students, maybe they can try 2 times or something like that. And if they get it wrong, maybe they can only go 1 time or something like that. So maybe the student answered correctly. So we'll go back and you can give them 2 times, 2 chances. So let's click on this one. And maybe this one. Like that. Alright, so let's hit escape. And if you want to make more QA slides, it's quite simple. You want to select any QA slide you want from here, from the left side. Maybe your PowerPoint is set up a little different than mine, but just click on one of the slides here. And you want to hit right click on it and go to duplicate slide like this. So now we have slide 53 here. And now we can link this to a new button. So you'll have to make another button, and it's quite simple. Just go to the main game boards slide, click on here, the button here, right click, and go to copy, and you want to paste it, and just drag it over the new button here, and line it. And if you right click on the new button and go to action setting, and when you go to hyperlink, it says slide 3. So you want to change that to the last slide, or the new slide that you created. So click on here, hyperlink to, go to slide, and just scroll to the new slide. The new one is slide 53, and click on that and hit OK. And now we can go and edit that to make sure it works properly. So go to that slide, and you can just write anything here. Like that, something like that. And now we can go to our main game board here and hit play to test this out. Alright, so let's test out the new button and the new QA slide. So just click on the question button here. And there is our new slide. Click on the horse. And you can subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let's hit go back here. And then we can click on a triangle, maybe the left one. Alright. Everything works perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoy this new PowerPoint game, and if you find my materials useful, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and share this video as well. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get the latest materials when I put them up on this channel. And if you have any game suggestions or ideas or anything you guys want to see, please don't hesitate to write that down in the comment section below, and I'll take a look at that. And who knows, maybe one of your games will make it to the next video. Again, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and I want to wish you the best of luck in your classes.